Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Coinrise Trading Report. My name is Jonas Lanis, and I will be guiding you through the crypto market for today. So, on the Coinrise news platform, the news that I'm selecting, let's say I'm finding more interesting, is this: that MicroStrategy is going to acquire additional Bitcoin after 500 million stock sales. And of course, don't miss out on Anissa's latest Crypto Weekly Roundup for September. So I'm moving on with TFLOW. As I told you, I'm Jonas Lanis, I'm CEO of TFLOW. TFLOW is a crypto company that creates trading algorithms. We have our own utility token, the TFLOW token. It's available in PancakeSwap and on P2P, B2B, right now at 0.0595. And through purchasing our token, you can get access to our trading bots. We have three different levels for TFLOW holders. And of course, you can read here in this section, the beta testing section, everything you need to know about our indicator in TradingView, which I'm going to use later on to show you to analyze the market. So leaving TFLOW, and we go to Fear and Greed Index, we see that we are on 25, so we are still on the extreme fear mode. Now we're heading to coin market cap. We are over 1 trillion market cap, 24-hour volume 76 billion, which is good. And anything above 50 million is good. If it's close to 100 million, it's very good. And it is lowest than 60 million and 50 billion, sorry, it's not a good day. Bitcoin dominance is rising, sorry, at 39.5%. And Ethereum is at 20%, very strong. Right now, we see a Bitcoin on $21,758, which is a lowest point from the high just a few hours ago at 22,206, and Ethereum is $1,730, and the 24-hour high was at 1,782, and BNB is at Binance Coin as $293.47, and the highest point that we reached was 297.88. So let's see who's the biggest winner right now. Which coin gained the most percentage? It's ApeCoin, only with 7%. And we move on to TradingView to start reviewing the market. So beginning of the week, we're going to see everything on the daily chart. And from Tuesday to Friday, I'll be showing the 5-hour chart, 2-hour, 50-minute, and I will try to give you some good tips on how to build your strategy around the crypto market. Right now, Bitcoin, as we can see, the MACD, let me just remind you which indicators we are using. We are using, of course, the Bollinger Bands. We are using the MACD. We are using volume profile, and we are using the TFLOW algorithm. As you can see, the TFLOW algorithm give us a short signal for Bitcoin. It's very good for futures trading. Short Bitcoin on 16th of April, and just closing the short position on 4th of August. Again, we have a short position here, 27th of August, and the take profit signals here to close our position, not in order to get liquidated, since we see that Bitcoin is turning around. So Bitcoin right now is on an uptrend, so we have an arrow up. Bitcoin is an uptrend because we see the MACD going up close to zero. It's still beneath 0 point, so it's still positive for Bitcoin to go higher. Same for Ethereum. Ethereum is over the 0 point with the MACD and the signal lines, and it's trying to go higher. Right now, we have a 2-day correction, but the whole perspective is positive, so we declare Ethereum long. Let's go to MATIC. MATIC, it's not very good. We have a short signal here, and we see that the MACD is actually consolidating here close to zero. We don't have a good move like here. We always look for the top and the bottom where the MACD crossover across under the signal line, so we declare MATIC neutral. Let's go to Atom. Atom at $15.34 right now is still on an uptrend because, as you can see here, we have a long signal at $7 at 15th of July, and then we continue to move on higher. So still Atom is on a long phase. Let's go to Binance Coin. Binance Coin, the same. It's trying to go higher. The MACD is trying to go higher. We don't have the volume that we would like to see this pump Bitcoin, Binance Coin price higher, but we still declare it on a long phase. Long phase for Solana as well. The MACD here is trying to go above zero. The ideal will be to see some volume coming in and see these lines go above zero. So it's almost in a neutral phase, but we'll give it the long label for now. Same for AVAX, long label for AVAX, short signal, take profit signal for closing the short position, which means that we're expecting a short move higher. So we give it on a long phase as well. Same for SANT, same setup as AVAX, same signal, low signal for SANT as well. VeChain, we see here that we got a long signal here, a take profit signal here to close our long position, excellent, and then we short it and we close our short position here. So this is a very good strategy, as you can see, and of course you can't overlook this short signal here, 21st of April, short the market on the daily chart, and enormous gains from short to long here, and of course here from the long signal and the take profit. Again, this is a winning strategy for the TFLOW algo. Please send us, if you're interested, to send you more details about the algo. You can read everything in the site that I just showed you. Let's continue on with Phantom. Phantom is in a neutral phase because we don't have a good angle in the MACD. As you can see, you have to zoom in and try to find a good angle. Still, we don't have the volume to go higher, so Phantom is neutral. Mana is in a little bit better shape, so we'll give it a long signal for now. Let's go to Near Protocol. Near Protocol yesterday reached last night $5, but again it was held back. So we have a correction from reaching the $5, and we'll still see it as a long on the daily chart. So Engine is also a long on the daily chart. As you can see, we have a short signal and two warnings here, but this might reverse, two take profit signals, and then we have a reversal on the daily chart. It's going higher, so we give it a long. Of course, nothing is ideal in this crypto market. This is very, let's say, we try to do a strategy to determine whether they're long or short, but actually everything is consolidating, and we expect a breakout for Bitcoin and Ethereum, so the rest of the altcoins can follow. Let's see EGLD. EGLD is right now on the long phase as well. And finally, THETA network is also trying to go higher, but we declare it neutral, not until we see it go above this trend line. So this was our quick look on the daily chart to see what is going on. And now we're going to take a deep, we're going to go deeper into the triple chart analysis. Here I'm using the 5-hour chart, the 2-hour chart, and the 15-minute chart to be able to determine what trades I would do if I was trying to make some money on a short term, on the daily actually chart on the daily strategy. So on a daily strategy, you can see here that we had the long signal on 9th of September for Bitcoin of a 5-hour. It's going very well. Don't forget that on the daily chart, we saw that Bitcoin is on a long phase, so we'll expect a small correction and a move on higher. So we expect to see here, if we want to short Bitcoin right now, we would expect to see a take profit signal. So when we see the take profit signal, like we saw here on the 2-hour chart, then we must expect, we would be ready to see what is going on to the 2-hour chart. So for now, we're still on an uptrend. As you can see, we have here a long signal, excellent long signal in the 2-hour chart, 9th of September here, and a take profit signal here at 21,444 for Bitcoin. And the long signal was at 19,896. Very good move on the 2-hour. Right now, what we are expecting, actually, we see that the MACD is going, is being pressed close to zero, but the price is steady. This might be a step for the price to go higher. So when we see the 15-hour chart, 15-minute chart going higher, and we see the 2-hour chart, the MACD crossing above the signal line, and they are still above zero, that means that we are going to have a continuation of the uptrend, so we are going to go long. If we see this break down lower, and we see this going down, we need even have a short signal on the 2-hour, then we're going to short Bitcoin. Don't short Bitcoin yet, because it might surprise you. So let's go to Ethereum to finalize our analysis for today. So Ethereum, this is where I'm trading Ethereum. I'm an Ethereum trader, actually. So right now, what we're expecting is that we took we had the take profit signal here from Ethereum. Look here, the 5-hour chart. Sorry, these are the alerts that happens to a live video. So we have, let's put it to mute. So long signal at 1,548 for Ethereum. Take profit signal 1,762 for the TFLOW algo. Very good move here. So right now it tells us that on a short term, don't forget Ethereum is on a long phase as well. So we have a small correction on the 5-hour chart. So we must expect to see if this will go lower. For now, we see that we have downtrend of the 5-hour chart, downtrend of the 2-hour chart, but I'm saying but because you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we're having a take profit signal and it's trying to move higher. Not only once we see the green line MACD going under signal again, then we are going to short for a short-term Ethereum, and then we are going to expect what is going to happen with the 2-hour chart. When we see the 2-hour chart reverse, then it's going to be a continuation. If we have the next 10 hours, another 2 red columns here in the histogram, it means that we are going to transition into a downtrend. So for now, we just expect it to short it again one more time on the 15-minute chart, and then we expect to see what is going to happen with the 2-hour chart. If we take a short signal in the 2-hour chart, that means that we're going to short it, short Ethereum for the next days, because it's going to transition into a downtrend. So that's it for today's trading report. I'll be with you every day from now on, every Monday to Friday with a trading report. I hope you like it. Please write in the comments what's your opinion, what do you think about the trading report, and which coins you would like us to add to this report. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.